Ever been to the Crystal at 3 a.m.? Checked out the sunset in the Waffle House? Maybe the backseat of a police car? I'm Mac the Camera Guy, and I think you're going to like our show. Welcome to Showing Out. Hello, this is Matt the Camera Guy. We've got a really great show today. It features the Velcro Pygmies. Now this has to be one of my favorite bands. These guys are crazy. You combine some beads, some hot chicks, and well, you got a great show. Now we took a 2-hour show, compacted it into just 3 minutes with the magic of a Mac. So you really only kind of get a taste of what our Pygmy show is all about. If the pigs come to your area, make sure you go and check them out. It'll be well worth the cover. And while I was out, I ran into Jason Knight from 95.1 The Fox, so I decided to let him go on and intro the next video's clip. So Jason, take it away.
What's up, little Iguana? It's Jason Knight from 95.1 The Fox out here rocking with the Velcro Pygmies.
She's a lot of fun. First time I saw her, yeah, I knew she's the one. Now we're together all the time. I think she's driving me out of my mind. I guess I'm whipped. Pussy whipped. Yeah, she don't let me go drinking with the boys. I like to play cards, make a lot of noise. She wants to know where I am every minute. If I have a wet dream, she wants to know who is in it. I guess I'm whipped. Pussy whipped. Play cards and make a lot of noise. She wants to know where I am all the time. I think she's driving me out of my mind. I guess I'm whipped. Pussy whipped. Whip, whip, pussy whipped. Whip, whip, pussy whipped. Whip, whip.
Well, that's the end of our show. Hope you guys enjoyed the Pygmies. And like I said, if they come to your area, check them out. Until next time, I'm Mac the Camera Guy.